Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure monday.com for project management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to monday.com. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Click on the New Board button to create a project board. Name your board according to the project you'll manage. Choose a board type that fits your project's needs, such as main board or shareable board. Now, start adding groups for different project phases or categories. Click on the plus Add Group button and enter a name for each group. Next, it's time to add items within each group. Click on plus Add Item and enter a task name for each item. For each task, you can customize its details. Click on the cell corresponding to the task to add relevant information. You can add due dates, assignees, status updates, and more. To add columns, click the plus Add Column button on the right side. Choose the type of column you need, such as text, date, status, or numbers. Fill in the details for each column according to your project requirements. You can also drag and drop tasks to adjust their order or priority. Now, let's set up automation to streamline your workflow. Click on the Automate button located at the top of your board. Browse through the available automation recipes and select one that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to configure the automation settings. Once that's set up, add any necessary integrations with other tools. Click on Integrate at the top and choose from the options available. Follow the instructions to connect your preferred tools. Now, let's set up views for better project visibility. Click on the Views button on the top left to access different view options. Choose a view type like table, Kanban, or calendar based on your preferences. Adjust any settings for the selected view to highlight important information. Next, invite team members to collaborate on the project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.